హాల్‌ని అందరికీ నమస్కారం. 'బాలన్' ఈ పేరు చాలా పెట్టినారు కదా! ఎందుకంటే ఈ సినిమాని తీసుకొచ్చిన డైరెక్టర్ పేరు ఆల్రెడీ మనం విన్నాము. ఆల్రెడీ ఆయన తీసిన సినిమాని తెలుగులో థియేటర్‌కెళ్ళి మరీ అదే 'మంజుమల్ బాయ్స్'. దాని తర్వాత ఒక డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్‌తో అండ్ అమేజింగ్ విజువల్స్‌తో అండ్ సూపర్ స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్‌తో మన ముందుకొచ్చింది 'బాలన్'. 'బాలన్' అనగానే మదర్ అండ్ సన్ రిలేషన్‌షిప్ అనుకుంటాం కదా! జనరల్లీ మదర్ అండ్ సన్ రిలేషన్‌షిప్ బాండ్ ఎలా ఉంటది? చాలా స్వీట్‌గా, చాలా కూల్‌గా, చాలా చిల్‌గా ఉంటుంది కదా! ఇక్కడ అలా కాదు. బోలెడన్ని ట్విస్ట్‌లతో, టర్న్స్‌తో అండ్ ఎడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద సీట్ కూర్చోపెట్టిన సినిమా 'బాలన్' అని చెప్పాలి. అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి దీంట్లో చాలా మంది కొత్తగా యాక్ట్ చేశారని చెప్పారు. ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ నో. వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక 50, 60 సినిమాలు చేసేసిన ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ ఉందేమో అని అనిపించిందనమాట. ఆ రేంజ్‌లో యాక్ట్ చేశారు. సో, మ్యూజిక్ బావుంది. విజువల్స్ బావున్నాయి. డైరెక్షన్ బావుంది. అండ్ క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ బావుంది. అండ్ యాక్టర్స్ డన్ ఎ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ జాబ్. సో, వై లేట్? ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళందరూ నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి విల్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. సో, వెల్కమ్.
Thank you.
ఫస్ట్‌లీ కంగ్రాచ్యులేషన్స్.
Yes.
Here to there, like very big team, very small team,
Yeah.
but impact is very big.
Yeah, compared to last film, we were very
Very small.
team.
I understood.
Last time we filled the stage. Like the 11 boys.
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, firstly, congratulations, guys. Like,
Thank you.
did you guys expect this much of love and support you will get from Telugu audience?
No, to be honest, no. We had the conviction it was a good film, but
Mhm.
everything after that we didn't expect this much. And very grateful for that.
Yeah, we also like think, Chidambaram garu oka film తీసుకొస్తున్నారంటే after Manjumal Boys, like we also expect more, you know, natural, rooted and lot of emotional ఇవంతా. So, but every director thinks like this, no? Like ఒక సినిమా biggest hit అయినప్పుడు immediately they chose like ఒక mass commercial film. But again you chose this. Why?
Uh, yeah, of course, I have like mass commercial films in the pipeline, but for it to come out, it will take 2-3 years. So I was very sad and depressed. My next outing will take that much time. So that's when Balan fell into my lap. I met Jitu. He told me the story, and I was immediately hooked. And I met Shailja and KVN the next day, and they also like understood, and it was greenlit in a day, and the film started like the initial work started in just 3 days from the day of discussion to
Very quick.
actual. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how Balan was never in the plans. Like I was never planning to make a film like Balan, but it happened, and I was very fortunate for that to happen.
So nice. And you tell me, like, this is your first film. So when you heard the story, and what was your first thought? Like, generally, ఎవరైనా ఫీమేల్స్ లైక్ ఫస్ట్ హీరోయిన్ గా ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మదర్ రోల్ అనగానే ఓ నో మదర్ సో ఐ జస్ట్ స్టార్టెడ్ మై కెరియర్ సో నాట్ నవ్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడి సే లైక్ దట్ బట్ యూ చోస్ దిస్ అండ్ యూ సెడ్ ఎస్ టు దిస్ సో ఎలా జరిగింది అది
I see it very differently. I see every I mean, as an actor, I just want to play every character that I can get, as long as it has a story that needs to be said if it's part of some and this mother in particular is
Mhm.
so strong. Her spine, her grit, her loyalty to her son. So why wouldn't I want to play a role like that? I was very happy to take it up.
డెఫినెట్లీ అగ్రీ విత్ యూ ఇలాంటి రోల్స్ కెరియర్ బిగినింగ్ లో రావడం అంటే నిజంగా లక్ అండ్ బ్లెస్సింగ్ ఆల్సో సో ఆ రెండు ఉండడం వల్లే బట్ యూ డన్ అ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ జాబ్
So much.
థియేటర్‌లో ఎవ్రీబడీ లైక్ ఆ రోల్‌తో ఆ లవ్ అండ్ ఆ కనెక్షన్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ అంటే చూసిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు. దట్స్ అమేజింగ్. దట్స్ మ్యాజికల్ ఐ ఫీల్. యాహ్! శైలజ జీ యూ టెల్ మీ లైక్ కేవీఎన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి గారితో ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు. అండ్ యూ ఆల్సో కొలాబరేట్ విత్ దెమ్ అండ్ బాలన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఫస్ట్ వాట్ వాస్ యువర్ రియాక్షన్ ఆన్ ఇట్? లైక్ మీరు విన్నప్పుడు ఐడియా విన్నప్పుడు?
On the idea of Balan as a
యెస్.
story.
యెస్. హూ నరేటెడ్ యూ ఫస్ట్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆర్ రైటర్?
I think me only.
You only? Oh.
Sambram only.
Oh, yes.
So, I mean, it was just that good fortune that Satish and Chidambaram had met, and this was a story idea that Chidambaram had along with Jitu, and it just so fell in place. We went to took the film to KBN, and Venkat sir was gracious enough, and it all just fell in together. But it's a story which really touches your heart.
True.
So that is something I passionately believed in, and we went ahead with it.
So as a mother, like how much you connected with this story? But this entirely different,
Correct.
you know.
It is entirely different, but there are moments in it which, as a mother, you can understand what she wants for her child.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that her struggle is for her child.
Mm.
That she wants him to come victorious out of this, you know. So whatever she is doing, whether you say it good, bad, whatever, but it is for her child
Yeah.
and for the future that she wants to give to college.
Right. I can see that bond between you and your daughter. So amazing. And sir, welcome to Tollywood, sir.
So thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Hyderabad, sir.
Been here quite a few times, but to be here on such an occasion, it's such a lovely feeling.
You already have that license, director license.
Yeah.
Again, you acted in this film as an actor. So was it difficult, like, alarm itself when you are acting one side, opposing side, you have a director. So
No, actually, like direction is one of the most difficult things when it comes to making a movie. Even though there are people doing things for you, but it's going through your head, and it's at the end, it's your responsibility, right? So direction is completely a different game. Acting, I was very lucky to be given an opportunity in a movie like this because, where all the performers are amazing and the technicians are like the best in the country. And Chidambaram, having his status, and after the movie Manjumal, he can do, as you said, he can do whatever movie. He can cast anybody. Like, he could easily go for a adorned character, artist to do my job, and they'd happily do it. Like, how she did it. Why would they not do it? Because it's an amazing part to play. So even if it was a little tough, and I had a little bit of anxiety and all that, I was sure to like take it up and do this because I don't want to miss this opportunity. And it came out really nice. The movie came out really nice. People are saying good things about me doing the character. People are saying great things about everything about the movie, and it's such a happy feeling to be here in Hyderabad talking to you. It's amazing.
so last one is nice. I love it. So cool. Especially playing like a bad cop role. You know, audience just not cages go on the no. But put on a fantastic job. So especially like you scared me a lot. If you place a slow and you tell me, was it easy or difficult for you playing a bad cop?
He's not a bad guy as such. Yeah. So, and when things happen and you will do something you value so much in your life, and it's because somebody, not everybody thinks how old is this person who's taking things away from me. It's more or less directing my anger and my loss and my pain towards something else that is not me. So it's not really, that's something everybody does too, I guess, like in our homes, parents, kids, they all do it, right? So it's not such a bad thing. But the thing is, like, what he does is comparatively a little better than other people. And even the lead characters are not all that, not all black and white. So it's not like that. But again, I feel like doing like a gray character comes much more natural to me.
Natural to me, okay. Okay.
So it's easier. I mean, I guess to make somebody laugh, like a whole crowd laugh unanimously, is more difficult than actually scaring some crowd. So I guess it was not that difficult. But the character was challenging, but the process was not that difficult. I had huge, good people to work with.
Right. Balan, Arisation. You tell me about your journey. So, when you met director, so ఇదేమన్నారు ఏంటి నేను అండర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ద సేమ్ ఇష్యూ ఇది ಯು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಪಿಯರ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಚಿದರ್ಪುರಂಜಿ
Market.
ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕಾಸ್
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಡದ್ದು ಅಭಿನಯಿಸಿದ
ಎಲ್-
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಡದ್ದು അഭിനയിച്ചതിനെ പറ്റി
എങ്ങനെ എന്തായിരുന്നു പിന്നെ ഞാൻ അഭിനയിച്ചത് നമ്മുടെ ചിദംബരത്തിലൂടെ അഭിനയിച്ചത് നമ്മുടെ കൂടെയൊക്കെ അഭിനയിച്ചത് എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായത് അനുഭവം ഫീൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്
സൂപ്പർ അവരതാ
ടൊവിയങ്ങളെ എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാണ്
ഡയറക്ടർ സാർ గురించి
സൂപ്പർ സപ്പോർട്ടായിരുന്നു മൊത്തം എല്ലാവരും
ఓకే
But
జీన్ పాల్ సార్ గురించి సపోర్టా ఇருக்கு సూపర్ దా
సూపర్
సూపర్
we in the movie we actually are not supposed to be friends, but we kind of hit it off on the first day. So it's very difficult for us to like do the combinations where I have to scare him, and he's not really scared of me. Yeah. And like on his behalf, he's such a great actor. Both of them. Well, this guy, like their performance is like in such a level that it's almost like they're not trying to do it. You know, they're saying the lines, but they're doing everything that he's asked them to do, but effortless.
True, I agree, completely agree with you. And could you please do this Abhijit Kumar, right?
Yeah.
That was like, oh my god. Could you please do that once again? Abhijit Kumar.
Ever there?
Do it once.
Abhijit.
Now he's
He needs
no, but that-
camera, lights, and all the.
Okay.
Yeah, then only you'll act.
Oh, you have to say action.
Action.
ఓకే. ఓన్లీ చిదంబరం గారు మాత్రమే డైరెక్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఇంకెవరు చేయలేరనమాట. అండ్ జినాన్, యూ టెల్ మీ యువర్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ విత్ దిస్ అమేజింగ్ టీమ్. అడిపొളിയായിരുന്നു. యాహ్. స్పీక్ ఇన్ మలయాళం. దట్స్ ఓకే. ദാറ്റ്സ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ഫൈൻ.
ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഗണിച്ചേട്ടൻ ഇൻസ്റ്റഗ്രാമിൽ കാസ്റ്റിംഗ് കോൾ കണ്ടിട്ടാണ് ഇതിലോട്ട് അഭിനയിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ചെല്ലുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് ചെറുപ്പം മുതലേ ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ട് സിനിമയിൽ അഭിനയിക്കാൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഒരു പടത്തിൽ അഭിനയിച്ചപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഇത്രയും വലിയ ഒരു പടത്തിൽ കിട്ടിയത് എൻ്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗ്യം. താങ്ക് യു സർ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ద లాస్ట్ వన్ ఐ అండర్‌స్టూడ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. And you worked with Tovino Damasji. Already starred there, so
ചോദിച്ചേട്ടനായാലും അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ തെറ്റിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാലും ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല, അഭിനയിക്കാം. അങ്ങനെ സപ്പോർട്ടായിരുന്നു എല്ലാവരും. അടിപൊളി.
okay. Is there any scene that you felt tough? There were a lot of emotions and intense there in your role, so
ആ ടഫ് ഇത്തിരി. പക്ഷേ ചിതു സാർ, ഗണേശേട്ടൻ, ചന്തുചേട്ടൻ എല്ലാവരും പറഞ്ഞു തന്ന അടിപൊളിയായിട്ട് അഭിനയിച്ചാണ്ടെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു.
I just wanted to mention one more scene, like when he came to the village, no?
Hmm.
There his expressions was really crazy. సో సార్ కాస్టింగ్‌లో ఎంత టైం పట్టింది? సో ఎలా వర్కౌట్ చేశారు మీరు? హౌ డిడ్ యూ గైస్ ఫైండ్ దిస్ అమేజింగ్ టాలెంట్?
Yeah, that was a bit. That was the toughest part of the film, apart from the screenplay, because finding the face, like finding him was the biggest challenge, and it was at a point it got so frustrating. My brother was in charge of casting, so every morning I'll come like, "You got?" And he said, like, he'll give me 10 options, and I reject. And at one point, like after some time, like he will not look at my face, and I will not look at his face, because there were a lot of tension between us, because we haven't finalized the actor, and we have to start shooting in a couple of weeks.
Okay.
So somehow finally we got him. Then we started looking for the mother. So because we have to cast him, then there should be some resemblance. And yeah, so we auditioned a lot of actors in Kerala. We couldn't get. Then we ventured out. We looked in Dubai, Mumbai. That's how we finally found Farsana. And I was lucky enough, like not just the face are similar, they're all great actors, and which is a very rare thing. And finally we get Zinat, and that was that was the last one to cast, and
Oh, Zinan was okay.
there is an absolute banger this movie. Yeah.
Right. When you are directing other script, the writer is different for this film, who already directed for Rate of Avesam, right? Yeah. So ఇంకొకళ్ళ స్క్రిప్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు was it easy, sir, to mold?
It is not easy, because it is the biggest challenge is to find the common voice. Me and Jitu have different languages of making films. So you find the common language, find the common voice, and to fight for it. So he will have protect something, and I need to add something. So there is a good level of give and take, and we pressurize each other. And even though Jitu was working on Surya's pre-production that he's shooting right now, still bring him and take him to location, and I think we have completed some around 10 drafts before moving into the shoot.
Wow. So Farzana, you tell me, these kind of roles especially, you have to ఇంత చేసినప్పుడు lot of shades are there, homework అయితే ఎంతో కొంత చేయాలి. సో ప్రెప్ ఎంతో కొంత ఉండాలి. సో నీ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఎలా ఉండింది for this film, for this role?
I had everything that I needed from the script, thanks to the writer and thanks to Chidambaram. So whatever I needed, I got from it, and I spent around 10 days just reading the script all in all. And apart from that, I wore a sari the whole day. I would wake up and I would just wear a sari just to get used to it. So just minute things like that, you know. And just imagining how she would walk, how she would talk, what would she be thinking about when she's not doing anything.
Hmm.
Very normal things a mother would do with regards to her children. It's just being in that world in itself. And before shoot, we got to spend some time with each other. Me, Adishesh, his mum, and our mama, who's played by Dolly Amma. So all of us got like a couple of days to spend with each other. We'd have lunch, you know, just like sit and talk about anything and everything the evening. So the chemistry was also built very easily that way.
I enjoyed the scene like between you and Adi and Ammamma.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Ammamma, where is Ammamma? She's something seriously, yeah, she's crazy. Too good, yeah, fantastic actress, I can say. So, yeah, and at the same time, you like definitely ఇలాంటి స్క్రిప్ట్ ని అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక ఇది ఉండాలి. Everybody wants to produce like pan India film nowadays. Of course, whatever people are enjoying and watching again and again, that's a pan India film for sure. For you, like ఇదే film తో enter అవ్వాలి అని when you thought of it and when you decided for this film.
I didn't get the last part of your question.
Like when you decided like okay, this is the film, so this is the film I'm going to launch in other languages as well, so as a producer.
No, so this, as I mentioned to you, the story of this film is something that really struck a chord with us. And it's, as a subject, I feel it's a universal subject. It's a story of a mother and a child, and they are stronger.
Even title also same, like in all languages, Bala is here.
Yes, we have specifically tried to keep that so that it resonates and it has you don't change the meaning of it. No, that's the only thing. And it's a universal story. It will work in any part of the world. So hence the whole idea of releasing it in all languages.
Right, and especially in any genre film, like first audience ni connect chesedi music. So found whenever Pavitran sir వచ్చినప్పుడు that background score, and whenever I saw like she walking into like బామ్మ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ sound like crazy అనిపించింది. Tell about music director.
So yeah, Sushin Shyam
Sushin
did the
Shyam.
music, and it's my second film with him. I don't think there is much to say. It's Sushin, so it was guaranteed. Like when his sense of background score is profound, and he understands emotions and where to stop, how much to do, how much to like keep back, and everything. So everything is not put at once. It's layered. There is anticipation. That is a slow building up to the break and everything. So and more than that, he's a friend, and so that association always felt like a breeze. Will be doing more of it.
Right, and I have few questions and these cheats.
Wow.
So I don't know. Okay, choose one. Yeah, yes. Okay, answer the question. Sorry about handwriting. So yeah.
Yeah, all right. Who gives more suggestions, directors or actors?
Okay. Like curiously wants to know.
More suggestions? Like, I don't think there was a lot of suggestions when it came to this movie. Because Jittu and Chidambaram had done a thorough job with the script. And they had all the things. And it was more like trusting them and listening to them more than giving them suggestions. Suggestions might come in the form of, do I have to say this word exactly like this or like right here?
Yeah.
Can I like give a boss, shuffle it a little bit? But that's about it. It's like very plain.
So you just like asked, satisfied or not? You want one more? That's
No,
it.
The thing is, I want him to be satisfied.
Oh, okay.
So
That's
my deadline coming to the set is to like impress, because I need this more. I mean, needs it, but I need it too. So I'm like, after this thing, I'm looking at him. I'm listening to how he says okay. Like sometimes it's a good okay. So Pet is just okay. So I'll probably try. I said, should I do it one more time? That's like the only, probably that's the most suggestion.
generally is a serious person.
Actually, not. Like if you can.
So something is missing. Your smile, now I can see that. Yeah, okay, that's fine. అప్పుడప్పుడు కొంచెం స్మైల్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి సార్. గుడ్ ఫర్ హెల్త్, Good for me, good for interview. So yeah, now your turn. Alright, yeah.
Who takes the longest time for makeup?
Oh, there is no wrong question. Okay.
Wow.
Amma does not have makeup
Uh-huh.
in the film at all, apart from maybe some scenes that I shouldn't talk about. But
But generally,
generally, as in on set,
but there is no makeup. I can see that very limited.
exactly. In
Minimum.
fact, maybe Tovino.
Probably Toby.
Yeah.
So that
Because of-
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I was like I confused. Tovino right? అవునా నేను చూసింది టొవినోనా కాదా?
Yeah. So like even before like she coming to the like I told her like don't do your eyebrows like always every day put oil in your like on your hair and everything. So there were a lot of
Why
things that-
sir? Why like that? Women always like makeup and
what?
I actually preferred this, because we don't have to wake up earlier than everyone else.
Mm.
We come on set when everyone
Just
else
put-
comes.
Just put on that saree and you're ready.
Yeah.
easy of course, but without makeup you can't see my face. So anyway, so I don't want to get into deeper. So yeah, now your turn.
There are two questions.
No, one is like two. Okay, director, you are so two questions.
So I'll read the second one.
Why?
Okay, the first question: who has the biggest celebrity attitude?
Celebrity attitude.
Adiseshan.
Oh.
No. What I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
Ready.
Oh my gosh.
Mm.
Now I understood. Okay. Well, next one.
Next one: who is the first person to check the monitor after a shot? Check their monitor after a shot.
Yeah. Check the monitor. The camera's
Because
monitor.
I'm the first person there. Apart from me, maybe my-
Actors.
I think actors will go
Yeah.
to you.
actor, yeah. Some of them doesn't look. He also like I have to like call him and but just look. Otherwise he doesn't because he's also a director. He knows like there's a space and like
Otherwise, they're like
he
pretty
comes if I asked him like she also like I like a person come look and go for if we have to go for one more take,
Mm.
ask her to come and see what went wrong, what could have been better, and then we go for
Okay.
one more take. Yeah.
And it's difficult. I can't stretch more than this.
Take.
Oh, thanks, Elizabeth. Oh my god.
You
That's
have to
fine.
read it, Ellie? Oh, I also have two questions.
Oh, wow.
Comes to set in 5 minutes but takes 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Comes to set saying 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes, I'm coming, but takes 30 minutes. So, yeah. Who's that?
Who comes?
Perfect question for producer.
So the best thing for producer is to not say an answer.
Say it, ma'am. Say it. This sign.
I'll go for the second question.
No,
Who's always searching? Who's always searching for food on set?
Yeah.
Who's always searching for
Foodie?
food on set?
Yeah.
Who's the foodie?
on
Our
how?
set, we had the best food, but
Okay.
so every time we would come, we would like really enjoy we had the best food.
Now answer the first
So
question.
I think everyone was
Yeah.
Answer the
interested in
first
that.
So, Elizabeth wants to know the first
Person is
question.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth will
Elizabeth.
say, I'm coming in 5 minutes, but we'll take 30 minutes to
हो गया खत्म వావ్ సో ఎస్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక డెఫినెట్లీ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాం టాలీవుడ్లో వస్తున్నప్పుడు టాలీవుడ్ యాంకర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు హూస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాంకర్ అచ్చి యాక్టర్ ఇన్ టాలీవుడ్ డెఫినెట్లీ హ్యావ్ టు సే దట్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో అదర్ చాయిస్ నౌ బట్ యా చిదంబరం సార్ సో
In Telugu.
యా
Very, very tough question. I would have answered this very easily if I was in Cochin. Now
This-
I'm in Hyderabad.
దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఐఏఎస్ ఐపీఎస్ ఎగ్జామ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ అండ్
I like a lot of. There's a new. I like Nani.
ఓ వావ్
I like Allu Arjun. I like Balaya. Like
లాట్ ఆఫ్ లిస్ట్ ఓకే
yeah. I like everyone. I would love to associate with most of them. Yeah.
ఓకే డిడ్ యు ఎవర్ వాచ్ వన్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్
Of course.
విచ్ వన్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్
First Telugu film was I didn't watch it in Telugu. I think it was a Malayalam dub. I don't know. I think it is Venkatesh Garu or Nagaru Garu. Like I'm not sure. There's a song called Oh Priya Priya.
ఓ ప్రియా ప్రియా నా
Yeah.
ప్రియ గీతాంజలి
I think so. Yeah.
Oh. క్షమించండి ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ నేను రాంగ్ చెప్తే నాకు సంబంధం లేదు.
Also, then Arya came.
అల్లు అర్జున్ సారీ.
Yeah, it was dubbed in Malayalam and it came out during we were all in school and
Yeah.
Sir, your
all
year of birth, sir?
yeah.
Your year of birth, sir?
Mhm.
Arya was okay.
Yeah.
Okay. School only. Yeah.
Even I remember being like 12, 13 when I would watch Telugu films, especially of Allu Arjun because that's when it's come out.
It is very huge in
Who's Happy, yeah, Genelia and Allu Arjun's film, yeah. So who's your favorite actor in Tollywood?
I would say Allu Arjun. I really had a big crush.
Then you have to say
when I
these.
was young.
Taggedele. Yeah, you have to say. Say Taggedele. Do it, yeah. Perfect. Sarija ma'am, yours favorite actor in Tollywood? This is common question. I'll ask everyone. Okay?
Favorite actor in Tollywood.
Get ready for the answer, huh?
From Telugu.
Telugu, Tollywood, yeah.
Favorite actor in Tollywood. I would say actually two.
Okay.
Nagarjuna sir
Mm-hmm.
and Chiranjeevi.
Chiranjeevi. Megastar Chiranjeevi.
very safe.
She's a producer, so
Yeah, she's a producer,
always see
right.
answers and
Always. Allu Arjun, we grew up with him.
okay.
It was such a pain to like go from school, go to theaters and watch it. It was always fun. So Allu Arjun for sure. But
So why don't you say do it, sir? You have a beard, so perfect. Tag- Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
but I also like Prabhas very much. I think he's amazing. He's a
Right.
huge guy, amazing. And Bahubali is super cool.
You want to answer this question?
Telugu actor show another. Prabhas, Allu Arjun.
There is also one more thing. The guy who dubs for Allu Arjun is one of our closest friends. So whenever he is in our room, like he's saying, Allu Arjun is here. Like even if Allu Arjun dubs himself, Allu's won't accent because we are very used to that sound.
Right. Sir, Telugu straight film eppudu, sir? When are you going to direct in straight Telugu film?
It's been committed long back, but soon after Manjumal, I was committed with Maitri Films. So
Okay, wow.
that is still in discussion. So I would love to do it very, very soon.
Hoping like very soon.
Yeah.
And your favorite, scene in Balan? What do you say?
Oh my god.
I know
That's
so many, but I know.
It's like asking a mother what's her favorite moment with her child. I think my favorite moment would be us walking on the bridge, which is on the trailer, him holding my hand and we're walking on the bridge.
Right.
That was a very special moment because it was actually a tough one because it was evening and it was around 6 p.m. He was a bit tired, and because as kids we get tired by the end of the day. And the direction that was given to us was I should hold his, like we both should be holding hands and walking.
Right.
But he was too tired to do it, so I kind of pretended that I was tired as well, and I told him, "Can you hold my hand?"
Just walk.
I'm so tired, which is how at came out, and I just thought it was so beautiful. It was our little secret till I said it out loud. But yeah,
Lovely. So it's almost 20 minutes. So I'm closing this here. But it was fantastic film. Great experience. నాకు చాలా 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 నచ్చేసింది and made this kind of films and please bring us this kind of films.
Sure.
So thank you so much once again, like congratulations once again. And last one, Adi, come here. Give me one hug. We'll close this interview here. Thank you, Balan, for giving me such a beautiful memories. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.
See you in theaters. Anyhow, it's there in theaters. So come and watch Balan. Say, come.
തിയേറ്ററിൽ ഒന്ന് സിനിമ കാണാൻ പറ
തിയേറ്ററിൽ പോയി എല്ലാവരും കാണണം എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു വിടാം
Oh my God. Thank you, God bless him. Thank you so much. It was really nice meeting you guys. Thank you. Enjoy the success. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you soon.
See you again.
See you again. Yeah, see you again.